To test for antibiotic or aflatoxin residues in milk, you will need the MilkSafe desktop reader, a MilkSafe test kit, and an incubator. Before performing the first test, we advise you to read the product insert carefully and perform the control testing. Retrieve the test kit from the refrigerator and allow the canister to reach room temperature. Meanwhile, turn on the incubator and allow it to heat to 40 ± 2 degrees Celsius. Collect the required number of microwells and test strips from the canister. The wells are easy to break apart as shown here. Add 200 microliters of milk to the reagent microwell and mix by pipetting up and down until the color is uniform, approximately 5 to 10 times. Insert the reagent microwell into the incubator and insert the test strip. Incubate for 5 minutes. Remove the test strip from the microwell and remove the sample pad at the lower end of the test strip. Interpret the result visually or with a reader. Turn on the MilkSafe desktop reader. Select Test and select Qualitative for antibiotic tests. Now, select the test that corresponds to the test you are running. Enter the relevant information and press Test. Insert the test strip into the cartridge. And insert the cartridge into the port on the reader. Press Test to initiate the analysis of the result. Now you can read the results. The results are automatically stored on the reader. You have the option to print the results directly from the reader or integrate them with your LIMS system. MilkSafe Test and Equipment for systematic control and documentation of dairy antibiotics.